Being an inventive and interesting token, Nexo can flaunt high utility, so it's nothing unexpected it has been very well known of late. Individuals are puzzling over whether it merits putting resources into Nexo and what's in store for this money. In this video, we will show you our Nexo value expectation and offer why we think it is a wise speculation. Nexo, specialized investigation. As indicated by verifiable information, Nexo is by all accounts a digital currency with mooning potential. It answers well to crypto market changes and has sufficient pattern backing to shoot up in esteem. The Nexo token at present just has half of its all-out supply available for use. The digital money's market capitalization is, in any event, at the hour of compassing, inside the main 100 on CoinMarketCap. These things highlight Nexo having great long-haul possibilities. Here is the Nexo specialized examination performed by TradingView and refreshed continuously. On the off chance that it is giving a purchase signal, the latest thing is bullish, and Nexo's cost is probably going to ascend sooner rather than later. In the event that the gadget gives a sell signal, the cost of the Nexo cryptographic money could go down in the next few days or hours. Nexo Value Expectation 2023. As per the specialized examination of Nexo costs expected in 2023, the base expense of Nexo will be $0.959904. The most extreme level that the Nexo cost can reach is $1.19. The typical exchanging cost is normal around $0.9999. Possible return for capital invested, 63% by Nexo value estimate for February 2023. In light of the value variances of Nexo toward the start of 2023, crypto specialists expect the typical Nexo pace of $0.769923 in February 2023. Its base and greatest costs can be anticipated at $0.699993 and at $0.789921 individually. Likely return for money invested, 8.2% by WAC 2023. Nexo value figure digital currency specialists are prepared to declare their estimate for the Nexo cost in WAC 2023. The base exchanging cost may be $0.759924, while the most extreme could reach $0.829917 during this month. By and large, it is normal that the worth of Nexo may be around $0.789921. Expected return for capital invested, 13.7% by Nexo value figure for April 2023. Crypto experts have really looked at the value vacillations of Nexo in 2023 and in earlier years, so the normal Nexo rate they anticipate may be around $0.79992 in April 2023. It can drop to $0.779922 as a base. The most extreme worth may be $0.869913. Possible return on initial capital investment, 19.2% by May 2023. Nexo value estimate around mid-year 2023. The Nexo cost will be exchanged at $0.839916 by and large. May 2023 could likewise observe an expansion in the Nexo worth to $0.89991. It is expected that the cost won't drop lower than $0.79992 in May 2023. Likely return for money invested, 23.3% by Nexo value figure for June 2023. Crypto specialists have dissected Nexo costs in 2023. So they are prepared to give their assessed exchanging normal to June 2023 $0.849915. The most minimal and top Nexo rates may be $0.819918 and $0.939906. Possible return for money invested, 28.8% by July 2023. Nexo value figure crypto experts expect that toward the finish of summer 2023, the Nexo cost will be around $0.869913. In July 2023, the Nexo cost might drop to at least $0.839916. The normal pinnacle worth may be $0.979902 in July 2023. Possible return on initial capital investment, 34.2% by Nexo value estimate for August 2023. Having broke down Nexo costs, digital money specialists expect that the Nexo rate could arrive at a limit of $1.03 in August 2023. It may, notwithstanding, drop to $0.869913. For August 2023, The estimated normal of Nexo is almost $0.909909. Likely return for money invested, 41.1% by September 2023. Nexo value figure around mid-2023. The Nexo cost will be exchanged at the typical degree of $0.939906. Crypto examiners expect that in September 2023, the Nexo cost could change somewhere in the range of $0.909909 and $1.06. Likely return for money invested, 45.2% by Nexo value estimate for October 2023. Market specialists expect that in October 2023, the Nexo worth won't dip under at least $0.919908. The most extreme pinnacle expected for this present month is $1.10. The assessed typical exchanging worth will be at the degree of $0.959904. Likely return for capital invested, 50.7% by November 2023. Nexo value conjecture. Cryptographic money specialists have painstakingly broke down the scope of Nexo costs all through 2023. For November 2023, their estimate is the accompanying. The most extreme exchanging worth of Nexo will be around $1.15, with a chance of dropping to at least $0.939906. In November 2023, the normal expense will be $0.979902. Possible return for capital invested, 57.5% by Nexo value figure for December 2023. In light of the value changes of Nexo toward the start of 2023, crypto specialists expect the typical Nexo pace of $0.9999 in December 2023. Its base and greatest costs can be anticipated at $0.959904 and at $1.19 separately. Expected return for capital invested, 63% by Nexo value expectation 2024. After the examination of the costs of Nexo in earlier years, it is accepted that in 2024, the base cost of Nexo will be around $1.43. The most extreme expected Nexo cost might be around $1.69. Overall, the exchanging cost may be $1.47 in 2024. Nexo value expectation 2025. In light of the specialized examination by digital money specialists in regards to the costs of Nexo, in 2025, Nexo is supposed to have the accompanying least and most extreme costs, about $2.05 and $2.48 separately. The typical expected exchanging cost is $2.11. Nexo value forecast 2026. The specialists in the field of digital money have examined the costs of Nexo and their vacillations during the earlier years. It is expected that in 2026, the base Nexo cost could drop to $2.98, while its most extreme can reach $3.54. By and large, the exchanging cost will be around $3.06. Nexo value expectation 2027. In light of the examination of the